Welcome to the Bitcoin.com weekly update. My name is Corbin Fraser. Today is Friday, December 11th, 2020. And this week we're going to be talking all about our upcoming holiday campaign, which includes a whole bunch of ways for you to get involved. But before that, we've got a whole bunch of crypto news stories to share with you today. So the big one, Kevin O'Leary wants to invest in Bitcoin. So Shark Tank star Kevin O'Leary, also known as Mr. Wonderful, is ready to put 5% of his investment portfolio in a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund that is approved by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. O'Leary has been known as a Bitcoin skeptic. He told CNBC in May last year that Bitcoin was worthless and a useless currency, stating to him it's garbage because you can't get in and out of it in large amounts, which is actually a little bit true in some ways. While he still has some of the same concerns, Shark Tank star said that he is not against Bitcoin, and he did go on to say, I do own a small amount of Bitcoin, he said, adding that he bought the BTC because a class he taught at Harvard University challenged him to get involved in cryptocurrency. It seems that the outspoken skeptic, though, has recently changed his tune. So very interesting stuff. I'm a big fan of Mr. Kevin O'Leary. He's a fellow Canadian guy. I like dirtbags that play mean guys on TV. I think they're fun guys. Yeah. Ron Paul's advice: remain vigilant. So during a recent podcast interview, American author and retired politician stressed that he advises cryptocurrency advocates to be vigilant towards government's future intrusive financial meddling. Over the last few years, Paul has shared his thoughts about Bitcoin and the crypto economy, stating that he likes it for its philosophic and legalistic reasons. I don't even have total reassurance that the government won't come along and want to confiscate my gold. The more successful crypto is going to be, the more you have to be aware of what's going on with the government becoming more aggressive. So I think that's a great point from Mr. Paul. Those of you who maybe own gold, sure enough, worry that, especially if you're holding the gold in your own home or in your own place of business, it is a scary prospect to be in control of your own funds. And certainly there's nothing stopping a government from knocking on your door and saying, that gold's mine now. Whereas the interesting thing with crypto, and the thing I've always loved about it, is the whole idea of, you can rip up your phone, you can throw it in the ocean, you can burn it on fire. As long as you've got those 12 words memorized up there, you can walk across borders with millions of dollars, and there's nothing anyone can stop you from doing that. So it's pretty interesting stuff. Hope to see more old school libertarian-like politicians getting involved into crypto, because I think for anyone that's kind of staying in the know on crypto versus gold versus Keynesian monetary financial policy, I think it's an interesting thing for people to be getting involved in. So next up, top U.S. banking regulator reveals positive cryptocurrency regulations coming soon. So Brian Brooks, the top banking regulator in the U.S., confirmed rumors that the government is seeking to rush out new cryptocurrency regulations before the end of Trump's term. Though he didn't get into specifics about what regulations would entail, he did say that the regulations would be balanced and that the positive messages would be coming out. With this year's National Defense Authorization Act also taking aim at cryptocurrencies, the U.S. government is looking seriously at regulating crypto markets in the upcoming year. Given the timeline of implementing the regulations, many are worried that there will be unintended side effects from such a rushed process. According to Brooks, the regulations are going to be a lot less bad than people worry about, and we can expect to see new regulations in 6 to 8 weeks. So personally, I find that a big, scary what the heck. I'm not a fan when governments come in and start regulating the crap out of things that they don't fully understand. We recently saw that on Twitter, where there was this lawyer going on about how stablecoins were basically illegal and that nodes that verify them are complicit in illegal acts, and it was this whole goofy nonsense. And I do really find that any of these politicians that just try to rush these things out, especially if you're trying to rush any type of regulation before the end of a president's term, it just seems to be kind of overzealous to say the least. I think all of those things typically hinder advances in business and hurt the economy and hurt people creating new things, and all it does is just create more goofy paperwork for people to have to figure out. And I think in this day and age, it's just going to lead to more people leaving your country and moving on to more crypto-friendly countries which is why we see so many of the exchanges registering in places like Malta and other places. So yeah, interesting stuff. And we are now moving on to the main story, which is a happy holiday from our family to yours. So today, Friday, the December 11th, marks the first day of our holiday giveaway celebration. So for the next 2 weeks, we'll be giving away up to $1,000 in BCH and featuring various deals in our channels. Be sure to keep up to date with our daily festivities on Twitter and Instagram. You can follow us on Twitter at Bitcoin.com. Today, 3 lucky subscribers to our YouTube channel and a comment below will be chosen to win $100 BCH each. So it's super easy. Just download the Bitcoin.com wallet app, tap receive, tap on your QR code, and drop in your Bitcoin Cash address into the comments below. Leave us a nice message, and we'll select winners and make the payout 48 hours after this video goes live. So we've got 2 full weeks of promotions and giveaways, so be sure to follow us on all of our social media channels. So don't miss out, and good luck. We wish you guys all the best, and happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, all the other fun stuff. I think everyone at the Bitcoin.com HQ is very excited to take a few days off and get some rest and spend some time with some family, and we hope that you guys all will too. And whether that means getting around some goofy COVID regulations and restrictions, either by Zoom or by more sneaky means, I commend all of you who do that. So best of luck, and stay safe out there. See you guys. See you next week.